All right, so here we are at the end of week 4. This is our review. We're going to go over the grammar points from this week, and I'll give an example for each one. So with the first day, which was these first 3 points, we talked about 才 and 3 different uses of 才. First one was it can mean only, as in like a small number. It's only this much or only this long. And an example would be 我女儿才5岁. 我女儿, my daughter, 才5岁 is only 5. This has the same meaning as 只 sometimes, or sometimes 就 can also be used. Those 3 can also be used to express this idea of only so much. All right, and then we talked about 才 meaning not until or only after, and I realized while taping that that before can work as a nice translation to keep the word order the same. And so here we have 练了半年才学会啦. 练了半年才学会啦. So practicing practiced half a day or a very long time. 才 learned it. And so in English, if you kind of do before, I practiced for half a day, no, half a year. That's half a year in my notes. 半年, half a year. Oh, there goes my phone. You gotta turn the sound off. 练了半年才学. So I practiced for half a year before learning it correctly or learning to do it. So yeah, it does work to say before there. But I practiced for half a year. It wasn't until it was after half a year before I learned. I'm getting confused, but I hope you get the idea. 才, and then we had 才 to express lateness or slowness. So 1个小时才到. 1个小时才到. That's like, can we get there in? It's going to take us a whole half an hour to get there. Half an hour, actually. I mean, a whole hour. 1个小时才到. It'll take us a whole hour to get there. So that having that makes it feel like the person thinks it's late or slow or it's a big time. Then we had 一样 to say same or equally. 我和你 or 我跟你一样高. I am the same, or like 我们两个一样. The two of us are the same. So it can mean same or equally adjective. And then we have 有 in a comparison to say as, like 你有我高吗? Are you as tall as me? Do you have as much height as I do? Or 他跑得有你快吗? Does he run as fast as you do? And then we had 跟 ... gun something 比起来. So this phrase that means compared with something, and then you describe the subject of the sentence. And so that the main phrase is 跟, or it could be 和 跟, a noun 比起来. And then we had appearance with 看起来. 你看起来很累. You look very tired. That doesn't sound like a compliment to somebody, right? You look very tired. Oh, actually, I just forgot to put on my makeup today. Oh, okay. So that's not good. And then the last points are, we have 没办法. It means there's no way, or I have no way to do something. I am unable to do something. 我没办法洗澡. I can't take a bath, or I can't shower because there's no water. So there's no water. 没办法洗澡. And then we had 关于, which means what? About or regarding. So an example sentence of that would be 我不喜欢看关于, there goes my phone again. 我不喜欢看关于运动的书. I don't like to read books about sports. 运动 means sports. So 关于运动的书 means books about sports. All right, so there you have it. You made it through week 4, and your assignment for this one will be to write a sentence illustrating each of these points. to refresh your memory about all of them, and hopefully maybe something will click that didn't click before. And then we're on to week 5. We are halfway through HSK 3. Woohoo! 你行的，你好棒啊！